Hey everyone, this is Muskan Tyagi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to discuss about the recent appointment by the Government of India. So without delay, let's just dive into the video. Recently, the Government of India appointed 3 senior advocates as Additional Solicitor General for the Supreme Court. So in this video, we will understand what is Additional Solicitor General, who is the Attorney General of India, constitutional provisions, eligibility, and current facts important for the exams. First of all, the government has appointed 3 senior advocates as Additional Solicitor General. These advocates are Devinder Pal Singh, Kanakamudala Ravindra Kumar, and Anil Kaushik. In simple words, this appointment strengthens the legal team of the Union government in the Supreme Court. Now let us understand who is an Additional Solicitor General, also known as ASG. Basically, the Additional Solicitor General is a law officer of India. More importantly, the ASG assists the Solicitor General and the Attorney General in handling important cases before the Supreme Court. Moving ahead, let us talk about the Attorney General of India. It is important to note that the Attorney General is the top law officer of the Union government. In other words, he acts as Chief Legal Advisor to the government, representative of the government in major Supreme Court cases. Now coming to the Constitution, the appointment of the Attorney General is mentioned under Article 76(1) of the Indian Constitution. According to this article, the Attorney General is appointed by the President of India on the advice of the Union Cabinet. Next point is about tenure. The Attorney General holds office during the pleasure of the President. This clearly means there is no fixed tenure for the Attorney General. Now let us understand the eligibility. To become the Attorney General of India, for this, the person must be qualified to become a judge of the Supreme Court. This includes any one of the following. First, at least 5 years as a High Court judge. Second, at least 10 years as an advocate of a High Court. Or third, considered an eminent jurist by the President. From an exam point of view, this is a very important prelims question. Now coming to the current affairs part, the present Attorney General of India is R. Venkatramani. Some key facts are: he is the 16th Attorney General of India. Second, assumed office on 1st October 2022. Third, succeeded K.K. Venugopal. Before we conclude, let us quickly revise. ASG assists AG and SG. Attorney General appointed under Article 76(1). No fixed tenure. Present AG R. Venkatramani. Finally, this topic is very important for banking, SSC, UPSC and law exams. So if you found this video helpful, like the video, share it with aspirants and subscribe for daily exam-oriented current affairs. Thank you for watching. Keep preparing and keep succeeding.